Physical properties of hydrogen peroxide. Pure hydrogen peroxide is syrupy liquid. It is colorless, gives a bluish tinge in thick layers. It is soluble in alcohol, water, alcohol and ethers in all proportions. Okay, in all proportions. Okay, so next point, it is more viscous than water. Because they are more associated by hydrogen bonding compared to water. Okay, more associated by hydrogen bonding. Then its melting point. Melting point is 272.4 Kelvin. Okay, 272.4 Kelvin, and boiling point 423 Kelvin. These are the important physical properties of hydrogen peroxide. Okay. Volume strength of hydrogen peroxide. Volume strength of hydrogen peroxide solution is defined as the volume of oxygen evolved at STP in ml that is obtained per ml of hydrogen peroxide solution. So, how can we explain volume strength? Volume strength is defined as the volume of oxygen O2 gas evolved at STP in ml is obtained per ml of H2O2 solution. Okay. So, like this we can explain volume strength. So, volume strength is defined as the volume of O2 gas evolved at STP, okay, in ml is obtained per ml of H2O2 solution. Okay, that is, if 1 liter of solution of H2O2, if 1 liter of H2O2 solution evolved 10 liters of O2 gas, then the volume strength will be 10 volume. Okay, then the volume strength of H2O2 solution is 10 volume. Okay. Now, let us discuss for 10 V volume of H2O2 sample. Okay. So, V volume of H2O2 sample, what will be the volume strength? So, we know H2O2 is dissociate like this. 2H2O2 gives 2H2O plus O2. So, at STP, this reaction takes place. Then 2 moles of H2O2 gives 1 mole of oxygen. Okay. So, the molar mass of H2O2 is 34. So, 2 into 34, that is 68 gram of H2O2 gives 22400 ml of O2. Okay, 68 gram. This is the molar mass of H2O2 gives 22400. At STP, the molar volume is 22400. So, this much ml of O2 is obtained from 68 gram. Okay. So, 22400 ml of O2 is obtained by 68 gram of H2O2. Okay, so V ml of O2 is obtained by 68 by 22400 into V gram of H2O2. Okay, so this much gram of H2O2 gives V ml of O2. Okay, so 1 ml of H2O2 means 1 ml of H2O2 equals 68 by 22400 into V gram. So if we convert this into liter, 1 ml, 1 liter. 1 liter of H2O2 means we have to multiply this by 1000. So 68 by 22.4. Okay, multiplying by 1000 into V gram per liter. This will be the volume strength of H2O2. So volume strength of H2O2 is 68 by 22.4 into V gram per liter. Okay, then 2 moles of H2O2 gives 1 mole of O2. Okay, and we know molarity equal at STP. Molarity will be equal to V by 22.4. Okay, this much. And 2 moles gives 1 mole oxygen. So we have to multiply 2 moles of H2O2. From 2 moles of H2O2, 1 mole of O2 is oxygen. So we have to multiply this by 2. This will be the molarity, that is equal to V by 11.2. This will be the molarity. Okay. Now what will be the normality? Normality is equal to n factor into molarity. N factor of H2O2 is 2. So 2 into V by 11.2. That is equal to V by 5.6. So using these 3 equations, we can find the using this equation we can find volume strength of H2O2. Then molarity of H2O2 can be calculated by this equation, and normality of H2O2 can be calculated using this equation. Okay. So first problem, what is the percentage strength of 100 volume H2O2? Okay, so 100 volume solution of H2O2 means 100 volume solution means 1 liter of H2O2 solution gives 100 liter of oxygen and STP. Okay, this means 1 liter of H2O2 solution gives 100 liter of O2 gas at STP. Okay, and we know at STP 100 liter of O2 gas obtained from H2O2 equals 68 by 22.4 into 100 V volume. Okay, 100 gram per liter. Okay, this will be the value. So this is equal to 303.5 gram per liter. Okay, this is the volume strength of H2O2. Now we have to find the percentage strength. So percentage strength is percentage volume by volume. That is volume of solute by solution, okay, into 100. That will be the percentage strength of H2O2. So volume is 303.5. Okay, volume of the solution is 1000 into 100. This will be the percentage strength of 100 volume. So this is equal to 30%. Okay, 30%. This will be the percentage strength of 100 volume of H2O2. Okay, H2O2 solution. So 30% H2O2 solution. Next, structure of hydrogen peroxide. So hydrogen peroxide is non-linear, non-planar, okay, non-linear, non-planar, okay, non-linear, non-planar molecule. Okay, it has an open book-like structure. Okay, the shape is open book type structure. Okay, molecular dimension of H2O2 in gas phase is there is a slight difference from the solid phase. Okay, so let us see the difference between these two. So this is the open book type structure. So in this case OH bond is 95 pm, but here in the solid phase it is 98.8 pm, and OO bond length is 147.5 pm here, and here it is less, 145.8 pm. Okay, and this angle OOH angle is 94.8, but here it is more, 101.9 degree. Okay, and this dihedral angle is 111.5 degree, and it is 90.2 degree in solid phase at 110 Kelvin. So this is the structure of hydrogen peroxide in gas phase and solid phase. Okay.